go, just sit down there, Kevin. You say hi. You say hi. Come on. You say hi. Hi. Hi to Mr. Crab. Oh, he's moving again. He's moving again. Don't move. Okay? Kevin will get mad. Right? Huh? Moving again? Yes. Oh. Oh. Daddy, look at what you did. Oh, no! What's that? What's that? Crab. He's lying down.
What?
He's lying down.
No, let's go. Let's cook that.
No.
Let's cook that.
No.
Why?
Atay.
Yes.
Natural.
I'll cook this one, the smallest one first.
No.
Not the big one.
No.
Which one do you want to cook first? The big one or the smallest one?
No.
No cook? Why?
Atay.
Yes, because they will die if you cook. Oh. If we don't cook that, we don't have food. If we don't have food,
This crab.
which one do you like? You will starve
You don't have
to death?
No. Wala kang makain.
No food. Kevin, no food. No food,
Yeah.
you will get starved. If you get starved, then you will die. What do you want? We'll cook. Okay? We'll cook.
Check mo yung cellphone mo.
Doon na sa
No.
loob.
No.
Oh!
No.
Luto.
Daddy, daddy daw.
Thank you. What's this?
Sauce.
Is that daddy?
What? It's a plant.
What?
Plants. Yes.
Where here?
Yes, I put it there.
It's a frog.
What are you doing? You? Okay. You're not afraid?